Hey guys, today we got a Swiss HDU heavy duty contractor unit. Fits the 2020 to current Chevy GMC trucks with the 6'9" bed. It's a 23-inch tall unit, and then wedge is up to 30 inches tall. So it's a wedge unit. This one's used and it's got some wear on it, but it's still got plenty of life left in it. Top doesn't look too bad. It's got a couple dents. Nothing really bad. They're on the other side, looks like. I don't see them now. Front looks good. Down through here, it looks good. It's just got some staining on the white aluminum. Maybe you could clean up if you wanted to wax it or something like that. But really, you're just going to work out of this anyway. A little bit of staining off the handles there, and got some dirty handprints there. Through here in the middle panel, that looks good. There's no dents in there that I can see. Bottom of the doors look good. I don't see dents in the doors. And then the top half of the doors look good on this one here. This one does have a dent right there. But that's it. That's what was on this side. These doors open up. Allows access to the toolbox on the inside. So it has two doors. Has a toolbox in there with a horizontal shelf, and then it has a divider, vertical divider in there, so it helped to keep the stuff from sliding between the two boxes. And you shut that down, lock that up, secure that all back in there. The front panel has a lot of dents. Stuff's been slid in there, and it's dented against the front of the bulkhead here. You can see a couple right there, and got a bunch of them through here in the center there, where most of the stuff was probably slid through to the front. And got a couple of them down there. No windows up here on the front bulkhead. This has a couple dents right there, not even that bad. Up here doesn't look too bad at all. A little bit of it's just staining, just age color. Like I said, that would probably wax off there if you wanted to go to that effort. On this side, we got a couple dents right there, and then right there on this side. Nothing really big, just small dents right there. And then the biggest dent is this one right there. That's the biggest dent on this roof. Down through here looks good. Bottom edge looks good. It's not all tore up from dragging tools in and out of it. Center section's white and just got it's got no dents in it. And then this door, and this looks pretty good. I don't see any dents in the door here. Going through the center of this door. So just mostly just, I wouldn't even call it dirt because it's been washed, so it's just age. Like I said, I'm sure if you put some compound on this or some wax on this, this would clean up. This opens up into a toolbox. No shelves. It's full open box. And that shut, and then lock secure to secure all that. The back end has a full rear door, double rear door. Does have a dent right down here, but it's really not too bad. A little bit of staining right here. Not really sure what that is. And then we've got a little bit of a dent right there underneath this light. Down through here looks pretty good. Not seeing a bunch of dents down through here at all. Got a little bit of a dent right here on the corner. There it is. Doors have some dents in them. One there, one there. It's got some spots where the paint color's missing. Probably from scratching the old decals off of it. And then really doesn't look too bad. On this side we got the same thing. A couple scratches in here. There and down through there. A couple dents right there by the handle. Really nothing major. The door opens up. Allows access into the cap. It's just kind of bare aluminum, nothing exciting in there. It's got some, you can see there's the dents you can kind of see on the inside there, and on the bulkhead there. Inside the let's see. Inside here is a serial number right there. Okay. Shuts. So it is got the Swiss HDU, the heavy duty contractor cap. Fits the 2020 Chevy GMC trucks, 2020 through 2025 Chevy GMC trucks with the short bed, the 6.9 bed. Blows a link to, oh, then this unit starts out, it starts at the front there. That's 23 inches and then goes up to 30 inches. It's a wedge, what they call a wedge unit. Blows a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available on our site as well. So you can just click that link, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it sent to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap, style, color, brand, bed size, what have you, height, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck apps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.